Hello, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can order your book print at KitabLane. It's very simple and easy, and you need to log into your Google account. And after that, you have to go to our website. So if you just Google KitabLane, our website will open up. And what you can do is you can talk to our team on WhatsApp. If you click here, it will connect you to our WhatsApp chatbot, and you can communicate with our team. And if you want to talk, and you can call us on these numbers given here. And if you want to print your book, so what you need to do is you need either you can go here or you can go to book print cost calculator or printing options. There are multiple options here. The easiest part is you go to the menu and you access book print form. If you're not able to find this, then you need to go to book print cost calculator, and here click here to start your book print. So here a Google form will open up, and what you need to do is you have to upload your book details. So here you can see you have to put your name, your phone number, your WhatsApp number primarily, your email ID where you will receive the invoice of the order that you have given, the address where your book will be shipped, your pin code, state, and then you have to select the size that you want and the number of copies, that if you need to 10 copies, 20 copies, 100 copies, you have to put it here, and the number of pages. So make sure that if it is 167, you put an even number, that is 168. And then you have to select the quality of paper. Which paper do you need? Do you need 100 GSM paper, 70 GSM paper? You can easily select that. If you want color printing, you have to select this option. Then you can select the different binding options that we have. You can choose no cover spiral binding. This is the cheapest form. If you just want printout, you can select this. You can select any of the option that you need for your book printing. After that, if you are choosing this thing, this option or this option, then you can select this. This is not applicable for this and other print option or cover option where the lamination is not applicable. And again, you have to upload your file here, and if you're not able to upload your file, you can definitely send it on WhatsApp. So we'll download from WhatsApp on our helpline number that is given over here. Okay, and after that, if your book has more than 150 pages or 120 pages, you can put the text that you want on the spine of the book. Then select the courier company that you prefer. You can select India Post, Amazon, DTDC, whichever is suitable for you. If you are ordering in bulk, maybe 100 copies, 200, 300, 500 copies, then you can select this option. And after that, you just go through this, and then you go through this, then you click on this, then you click on submit, and that's it. That's how easy it is to order your book print. And after we receive your order, we are going to check the files and understand whether it is workable or not, or whether we need to give you any feedback regarding the file settings or anything. And we will give you that feedback along with the quotation and where you have to pay. This is how it works. It's very simple and easy. And after that, we will give you all the quotation and everything. And after you have paid for it, you will get this message that your order has been confirmed, and that's it. After this, we are going to start your book printing, and we will ship it to you, and we will provide you with tracking ID and the photo video of your printed book. This is how it works, and that's it. So if you have any question or queries, please contact us, and you can reach out to us via WhatsApp or call. And for any details, please go to our website kitablane.com. All the details is available on our website. So thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to work with you.